guys, today's video is a very special video. In today's video, I'm going to be letting my toddler Kiki put on my makeup, right? Are you excited? Yeah? Okay. So if you're interested to see how she does my makeup, then please keep watching. Okay, so what's the first thing? That? What's that?
No.
Look, what's this?
No.
This is, we're going to start off with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Right? Ready? You ready to start? So hold this brush. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put this on the brush. Okay, and you're going to put this on mommy's face. Alright, now put more on. Put more on mommy's face. Look, put more. You gotta rub it in.
This one?
Mm-hmm. What do you think? How does it look so far?
No.
Hmm? Alright, on this side too. Gotta get it on this side. And then how about the forehead? Do you want to do the forehead too? Here, let's put some more on the forehead. Okay. On the forehead. How does it look on the forehead?
No.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Am I beautiful? Do you want any more? How about, do you want any on the nose or on the chin? No? You ready to move on? So Kiki used the Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush to do the foundation. She's really excited to do the powder with this It Cosmetics powder brush, right? So you want to do the powder brush? So we're going to use Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. Put the brush in there. Okay, ready? And now you're going to put it on mommy's face. Oh. How does it look?
Bad.
Good. Need some more? There. Alright. On my nose. And then on my cheeks. And then on my chin. Oh, wow. What do you think? Okay. Did you want more?
Yeah.
We're going to put some more.
More.
More on the cheeks, right?
Oh!
What's that? Did you get it on the shirt? Okay, that's all right. Are you itchy? All right, do you want to move on to something else? Next one? Okay, let's do the next one.
No,
This is, do you want to do the highlighter? Okay, the highlighter is this highlighter brush. This is a Luxie tapered highlighter brush. Luxie 522 highlighter brush. All right, so this is called highlighter. The highlighter goes on the cheeks right here. Okay, so you're gonna use, we're starting off with just a little bit of everything, right? All right, how about this cheek? You got it on the other side. There you go. All right. Done with that one? All right, so for this, we use the Makeup Revolution Soph X highlighter, right? Yeah? Okay. All right, what's the next one that we want to try? We want to try eyeshadow? That's a fun one. Look, here, I have this brush for you. This brush does not have a name. And then we're going to use the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello eyeshadow. So this is just going to be a really nice springy eyeshadow palette. Okay, so these go on mommy's eyes right here. Okay. Oh. Mommy has to close her eyes so you can, because you don't want it in Mommy's eyes. You want to put it on Mommy's eyelid right here. On Mommy's eyes, remember? It's called eyeshadow. What's that one? Oops. What happened? Did it not get on Mommy's eye? Oh, is it all over? How's it looking so far? Oh, wow. All right, how about let's try the other eye. Do you want to try this eye right here? No, you're not done with that eye yet. You like this color, don't you? Oh my goodness.
No.
We're using this color right here for reference. This color is called Look See. All right, let's try the other eye. Do you want to try the other eye? No, you're all done? How about pick out one of these brushes? That's a mascara. So this is mascara. This goes on Mommy's eyelashes. Do you think you could get it on Mommy's eyelashes? This is the ColourPop BFF mascara. And oh my goodness. All right, ready? Ready? Oh. I know Mommy's eyelashes are really small, so you can barely see them. Oh. 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 All right, you want to try more?
No.
No, you're done? How did it look? How did it turn out? What do you think so far? Okay, you're gonna move on. You want to try a different brush? All right, what's the next brush you want to try? Actually, we have two brushes. We're gonna do that one. That one goes with this brush. So show them the brush. Say this is a Luxie brush.
Does it have a name?
Has a name. The name is a Luxie Duo Fiber Powder Brush. Look, this is the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. See how it has the pattern? What does it look like? Does it look like a sun? Here. Now this goes right here. Goes right here. So you're gonna put it right here and right here. It's bronzing powder, so it's a contour. Okay.
I hear.
All right, you're gonna put it right there first. Okay, and then you're gonna put it on Mommy's right here. Contour. Now on the other side.
And just enough.
That's enough? All right, so put that one right there. Okay, wanna try another brush? Then we're gonna be using our IT Cosmetics blush brush and what is it? Look, do you see what it is? What does it look like?
The almond flower.
Flower. It's a Milani Blossom Time Rose blush. With the what? Blush. This is gonna go on Mommy's cheeks. What do you think? Is it a pretty color? Yeah. How about this side? This cheek. Do you want this side? No? Next one we're gonna do is a lip pencil. So this is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil. Okay, and this is the color Little One. So it needs to be sharpened. So we're gonna sharpen it. So that way what you're gonna do is you're gonna color on Mommy's lips. Alright, gotta be careful not to get it on the teeth, huh? Are you all done? Okay. Oh.
Another one.
Alright, and then the last step is Now that you lined the lips, we're going to put the liquid lipstick on, and this is Bare Minerals. It's called Juju Matte, and so this is for the lips also. Pull it out. There's a lot. You are a very serious makeup artist. Alright, what do you think? Do you need more? You like lipstick, huh? Just like mommy. Oh, yes. That is good. More? Good? Or do you want more? See? I'm gonna sit like that. See the color? Do you like this color? Okay.
I want more.
You want more? How's it looking so far? Is it looking beautiful?
Is it everywhere?
It's kind of everywhere, yes. Alright, what do you think? Okay, here. Do you want some? Yes? Okay, here. I'm gonna get some for you. Alright, ooh, that's a pretty color. Look at this. What do you think? You look beautiful?
Does it have this?
What do you think?
Does it have a mole?
A mole?
More there.
What is it?
There's a mole.
It's a mole? Oh my goodness. Is it a beautiful mole?
No.
No! It's not a beautiful mole? Oh, you want to do the other eye? Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the other eye. So again, with the eyeshadow. And where is the...
With this one?
Yep, show them the brush. What do you think? Are you an artist? What'd you do?
I do this.
Huh? You made two eyes? You did two eyes with the eyeshadow? Does it look good? What do you think?
It's so dark.
It's so dark. I'm not used to mommy wearing dark eyeshadow, huh?
It's dark.
It's dark. Oh, it is dark. It's like a dark, what color is this? This is called Pulling Strings. I gotta add some more to the other one now, huh? It's a little imbalanced. Alright, are we good? Okay. Let's say goodbye. Alright, ready?
Goodbye.
That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed seeing Kiki put makeup on my face, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. We would appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Say bye.
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 I already say bye.
You already said bye. Ah. Say bye again.
No, I already already say bye.